Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Yeah, man, I've got to do an upgrade video of mine. Last time I seen you was in Blacksburg.
It's been a while.
Oh, yeah. Totally changed mine.
I like this, the way this box layout is, but I have one more question for you. I'm sorry. Have you tried maybe giving a little bit more breathing room from the back?
When I did my first run up there, I did pull it forward all the way up to the amp.
Yeah.
And it was actually lower.
Lower, okay. Noted. Nice.
But it might have been the song I was playing.
Yeah. Your frequency will change just from that 3-4 inches. You could have dropped a tone or two. Nice.
So I wasn't playing Put On. I was actually playing my first song. And it doesn't hit me as hard as that.
You haven't done anything up here yet. All cabins, just straight stock.
Before, when I first had my stock deck lid on here, I actually spray foamed the entire inside of the deck lid. And as you can see, I spray foamed the inside of here too, so it kind of deaden the sound and the rattle.
Yeah.
And give it more of a tone.
That does help too.
Yes.
Plus the frames, everything's flexing. You don't even want it to hit this glass, anything like that. Yeah. Awesome. So what am I looking at?
So you got two 12s, 1000 watt RMS, 2000 watt peak on a 4000 watt amp and an external battery.
Okay. Did you install it?
Yes.
Sweet.
Did everything myself, 0 gauge, all the way from the alternator, all the way to the back, big 3 kit under the hood.
Okay. That looks good. Is this a prefab or custom built box?
That's a prefab that came with some subs that I had bought previously. So I'm actually about to have an Extreme Audio build me a box. So.
Okay. Nice. Have you tried putting the sub mounts the other way or only facing back?
I've only had them facing back.
Okay.
I wanted to try it facing forward. I just haven't had the time to.
And what is this? Is it at 1 ohm or?
It's at 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. How much power?
4,000 altogether.
Okay. Sweet. Anything under the hood?
Just the big 3 kit.
Okay. What vehicle?
It's a 2014 Civic.
All right. Nice.
So it's got the 0 gauge here, and then all the grounds, and then the positives over here.
Big 3.
0
Yeah.
gauge.
Stock alt.
Yes. Stock
There's the
alternator.
upgraded big
No,
3.
it's stock.
The big 3. Yeah, you did the big 3 on that. Looks good. All right, man. Nice. Okay. Any SPL tests?
I have done an SPL test. It has hit 140.3.
Okay.
I'm trying to do a little bit better than that.
Yeah. What was your SPL, like peak frequency, tone?
55 hertz.
55, so it's tuned higher.
Well, yeah, because of the box. That's why I gotta change out the box and everything.
Got it. Okay. Wow, you don't have a back seat.
No, not anymore.
Was that for the stereo system or just another hobby or project?
That was. Still got work to do, man.
I like it, man. Yeah, and this is a daily driver, I'm gonna guess.
Yes.
All right, sweet. Nice. I didn't hear what you were saying about the project with the seat in the back, or what happened.
So I was actually installing the carbon fiber trunk, and I accidentally closed it without hooking up the latch part. And I couldn't get it open, and I went to go get the seat. I unbolted everything, but I couldn't get this side out of the latch, so I had to cut the bracket.
Ooh, oh, got
So-
it. It was stuck.
Yeah, it was stuck, so I had to cut the middle seat bracket, but I can get a new one for 150 bucks and just change everything over.
And this is just to let the trunk breathe?
That was actually the factory subwoofer, and it actually, when I had put these in, it actually ended up breaking that bracket back there, so I took out the factory sub.
So there was like a mini 6.5 or 8 in here?
Yeah, there was an 8 right there.
Really?
From the
Okay.
factory, yeah.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we just got of Daryl's system at the Stuntfest audio show in Poola, Georgia area 2023. Go ahead and comment what you like about his system. I like the layout of the box, even though it's prefab, optimal amount of box placement space, and the way the amplifier rack is. Putting a little piece of wood platform to keep the amp from moving around and more stable, better airflow is actually a good idea. And having the subs and port back, of course, may be most optimal for this style system. and you're going to be seeing a really good bit of trunk flex, and pretty much his whole cabin was pretty much tearing apart from just the amount of bass. And he did say it was a 4,000 watt RMS amplifier. I'm not sure if it's actually rated at 4K or 2K. A lot of amplifiers can be overrated based off of peak power, but let's just say it's a 4,000 watt amp. And notice the way you actually have reinforcements on the back glass area with foam to kind of stop the flex. It works. So subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos, and enjoy this demo. Is there any way you could play something like half volume with the subflex I can get in the trunk?
Yeah.
That's all right. Like 10-second trunk flex and then open it up.
And you got a only fan, but no money. Hey, listen, bring your ass on. Drop the pin, bring your ass on. Hold on, I say, bring your ass on. Then I drop the pin, you better bring your ass on and better be. You better put that pussy on. You better put that pussy on.
I like it, man. Yeah, and this is a daily driver, I'm gonna guess.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.